Guys, Taco here, and today is the day. Oh wait, I guess I can't really say those, but here's my favorite part about these things. Okay. These aren't mine. They're my big brother's. He's not around. Did I say big brother? I mean, little brother. He's not around though. I'm doing vlog videos. Me, and in one of my other videos that I'm in, there's a kid named Black Ops on 271, Blackout, I think, and we're doing vlogs for him, about a vlog every day, starting on Friday. That's just a little update.